In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Lovable Watermark Badge logo. If your app was generated or hosted with Lovable, you might see a small Lovable mark in a corner of your app or preview. Removing it is quick, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get a clean, unbranded look. First, open your browser and head to the Lovable dashboard. Sign in if needed, then pick the application or project you want to update from your projects list. Make sure you're opening the exact project where the watermark appears, especially if you manage multiple apps or environments. Selecting the right project ensures the setting applies to the place your users actually see. Inside the project, look to the upper left corner and open Settings. It's usually in the left sidebar and may show a gear icon. This takes you to your project's configuration. If you see tabs across the top, stay on the project tab. That's where the branding controls typically live and where you'll find what you need. Now scroll until you find the option related to the Lovable watermark or badge. The label can vary slightly, but it will read something like Remove Lovable Watermark, Hide Lovable Badge, or Disable Lovable Logo. Toggle that option on to remove the branding from your app's interface. Some workspaces autosave, but if a save or update button appears, go ahead and confirm your change. That's all you need to do here. At this point, open your app to verify the change. A quick refresh is often enough. If the mark still shows up, clear the browser cache or reload your deployed site. Cached assets can delay visual updates. If you use multiple environments, confirm the setting is enabled where you're testing. 2 quick tips before we wrap. If you don't see the watermark toggle, check your project permissions. Some workspaces tie watermark removal to a specific plan. If the control is grayed out, your plan may need an upgrade. And that's it. Congratulations, you've removed the Lovable watermark. The whole process is opening your project, going to settings, and turning on the option to hide the badge. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you make the change in your own dashboard.